In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type H2O correctly using Google Docs. If you've ever tried to type the chemical formula for water, you'll notice that the 2 isn't automatically formatted as a subscript, which is how it appears in scientific writing. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the simple process to get this right. We'll have this sorted out for you in just 5 minutes, so let's dive in. First things first, we need to open your browser and get to Google Docs. If it's your first time using Google Docs, just type Google Docs into your search engine and it should come up right at the top. Click on that link and you'll be directed to the Google Docs homepage where you can start working on your documents. Next, if you're not automatically logged in, you'll need to log in with your Google account. This is essential as Google Docs operates online and is linked to your Google account. Make sure you have your login details handy and simply enter them to gain access. Once you're in, search for an existing document you want to add H2O to. Or you can create a brand new document, depending on your preference. With your document open, go ahead and type H2O. At this stage, you'll notice that the 2 is at the same level as the rest of the text, which isn't quite right for our purposes. To fix this, let's move on to highlighting the number 2 with your mouse. Simply click and drag over the 2. So it's selected. This will allow us to apply the subscript formatting directly to it. Now take a look at the top of your screen in the Google Docs window and find the Format option in the menu bar. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Scroll down to the option labeled Text. When you hover over Text, you'll see several more options pop out. Look through these and find Subscript. Click on it, and you'll see the selected 2 in your document shift down slightly below the baseline, creating that textbook perfect H2O appearance. And there you have it. In just a few quick steps, you've learned how to format H2O correctly in Google Docs. Whether you're writing a scientific paper, putting together a classroom project, or simply jotting down notes, knowing how to use subscript can really come in handy. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your work just a little bit easier and more professional looking. Thanks for watching and happy typing.